everyone and welcome back to my channel. First of all, I have to say sorry because I'm not posting constantly these days. It's because I'm really busy, and I'm really busy with my studies and stuff. So in this video I will show you guys how to differentiate between original and fake Beats Studio 3 Skyline collection, because many of my friends were asking me like how to differentiate it, and the last video you showed was useful about these things, and I decided to show you guys that what is the original and fake ones difference. So here we open the package. It comes in a package like this. It depends on actually this part is not important. As a rule, all the designs and the writings on them are gonna be shiny, so we all know, and they are not gonna be completely smooth, as you can see here. But guys, consider the fact that as companies are becoming good at preparing and making these things, the people who are faking these products are also becoming good. So we can't just understand it from the box. And also you can see here that the words are like shiny and they're not smooth. And then there is the box, the bag, which contains the real bits inside the headsets, as you can see. But the main differences I will explain at the end of the video with pictures, so you guys completely understand what's the differences between the real and the fake one. And it has nothing to do with the box. As you know, they can just change the box and put it in the real box and do these stuff. And also consider that the original Beats is flexible, not completely flexible, but it is flexible, and you can just a little bit bend it without any problem, but I don't recommend it because any moment it can just break. Then after that, when you take the bottom part of the box, you see the brochure, you see the charger, and you see the holder. Then after that there is another wire, which is the cable for the wired use. And also, if you are able to open the box before buying it, I don't recommend it actually to open. That's they let you to open the box before buying it, because it definitely shows that it is fake. If you can open it, you can see that the name Beats written on the top of the headset. It depends on the color. It is a little bit lighter than the fake ones. The fake ones are gonna be darkish. And then we continue with the rest of the video with pictures, so you can understand what I exactly mean. So as the first thing, it's the face and the sides of the box, which they will be shiny and they won't be smooth. As after you open it, as I explained, it's gonna be the same. And also here, but for this part you have to take care if the person that copies it is good, it will have shiny surface, but for the person who is not, it will have dull surface. For this part you have to consider that the color of this bits written here will be lighter in the original one than the fake one. And also consider the fact that from the color of the product you can understand this is fake or real and original, because they designed it really good. Here, if it is fake, you will see a poor design. It will be so obvious. Then for this part, according to the color, it is different. But if the color is midnight black and gold, you will see it like this. And for here, if you can just rip the cushion part, for the cushioning, the original one will have yellow color, but the fake one will have bluish greenish color. And as a final part of the box, you will see only these four plus the Beats itself inside the box, not anything more than that. The most important part is the Bluetooth connection, because these Beats has two chips for the Bluetooth connection. Immediately after turning on the Bluetooth, they will connect and it won't make you wait. And the chips are gonna be something like these. The top one is the fake one, the bottom one is the original one. And also batteries, the top one is the fake one and the bottom one is the original one. But I don't think the inside design can make you understand if it is real or fake, because you can just open it. And finally, thanks for watching my another video on YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe and like. We will be together soon in another video.